Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most exciting full-size SUVs coming your way, the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander. Toyota has taken everything drivers loved about the original Highlander and turned the volume way up, bigger, bolder, and more refined. The Grand Highlander is here to redefine what family SUVs can do, while still delivering that signature Toyota reliability. From the outside, the 2026 Grand Highlander makes a strong first impression. With its sculpted lines, massive grille, and commanding stance, this SUV isn't shy about its presence on the road. It stretches longer than the standard Highlander, giving it that full-size feel that families and road trippers will appreciate. Toyota has fine-tuned the exterior with sleek LED headlights, bold alloy wheel options, and subtle yet aggressive body styling that balances elegance and ruggedness. Under the hood, you've got three powertrain options to choose from, including a fuel-efficient 2.5-liter hybrid and the punchier hybrid max powertrain, which delivers up to 362 horsepower. That means not only can you hold your family and their gear with ease, but you can also enjoy a surprisingly responsive and confident drive. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating tricky terrain, the Grand Highlander feels composed and powerful, giving you the best of both worlds, utility and performance. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin designed to pamper. The interior is incredibly spacious, offering true third-row comfort, yes, even for adults. With seating for up to 8. It's clear that Toyota engineered this SUV with real people in mind. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and available leather upholstery give the cabin a sophisticated edge. The panoramic sunroof opens up the space, and the quiet ride makes long drives feel effortless. Tech-wise, the 2026 Grand Highlander comes fully loaded. At the center of it all is a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen with Toyota's latest infotainment system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with built-in navigation and voice commands that actually work. There are USB ports in every row, available Wi-Fi connectivity, and an optional 11-speaker JBL premium sound system that turns this SUV into a rolling concert hall. Add in the available digital rearview mirror and head-up display, and you've got one of the most tech-forward cabins in the segment. Safety hasn't taken a backseat either. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard, giving you adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and more. The Grand Highlander feels as safe as it is stylish, making it a top contender for families who don't want to compromise. So, whether you're packing up for a weekend getaway or just running errands around town, the 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander offers space, power, technology, and peace of mind in one sleek package. It's bold, it's capable, and it's ready for whatever life throws your way. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Rolling Legends for more deep dives into the latest and greatest rides hitting the road. Catch you in the next one.